picture quality really bad.
Oh, okay.
So try not to do that. Little Liam loves to eat, has no patience. The little baby that never complains.
Oh, he's like, oh, what's that? And then he's like, I want food. Oh, he almost got in his mouth.
Don't get it up your nose.
His son is...
Oh.
Little Liam.
Oh boy.
You make him...
Make him want it?
Yeah. That's so cute. You love to eat this. Aww.
You little smartins? Little smartins?
You're so handsome. The glare from the window is... It's not gonna fix it, honey. Just... What are you doing, he's saying?
You missed it. It's right there.
You're doing really good, honey.